Hi kids! Today we're going to learn about the greedy dog. Once there was a dog. He was very hungry. He wandered here and there in search of food, but the poor thing couldn't find anything. Then, while walking in the town, he came across a butcher shop. He thought to himself, the butcher shop must have something. He then walked over to the butcher shop and saw a trash can. He looked in the trash can, and to his surprise, there was a piece of bone. He happily picked it up in his mouth, and as greedy as he was, he quickly ran away into the forest, so no other dog could get his bone. He was happily walking around to find a peaceful place to eat the bone all by himself. Then he came across a bridge. He was walking over the bridge when he saw himself in the water. The dog thought that it was another dog because he could not understand that it was his own reflection. He thought to himself, "Oh, what if I take his bone away too? Then I'll have two bones." The dog quickly opened its mouth and started barking. But unfortunately, even his piece of bone fell into the water. The dog lost his own bone and could not get another one. And now the dog had to walk away hungry. The moral of the story: do not be greedy. Hence, greed is a curse.